Gas prices are at an all-time record high, and they're not dropping anytime soon. Today, I'm talking about the top pickup trucks with the best fuel economy. I'll also tell you about the pickup trucks that have the worst fuel efficiency and the highest gas costs. How do you compare the fuel efficiency of a car? Well, it's a no-brainer. You compare the miles per gallon. The higher a car's mile per gallon, the more miles you can squeeze out of a gallon. And this means you'll spend relatively less money on fuel compared to a car with a lower MPG. And that's how you measure fuel efficiency in a nutshell. Did you know that 5 of the 10 best-selling vehicles in America last year were pickup trucks? When you're talking about trucks, you can't compare apples to oranges. That's why I'll break it down to 5 main categories, which is compact, mid-size, full-size electric, and hybrid. So let's talk about the top compact pickup, and that's the Ford Maverick Hybrid. This pickup is also the top hybrid truck for saving on gasoline costs. Among other things, the 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid has been described as the most appropriate vehicle you'll find in any automaker's lineup today. And this pickup has really blown the truck class away with its standard fuel economy. The Ford Maverick Hybrid has a starting price of $21,490. That makes it the lowest priced Ford on the market. Not only that, it's also the lowest priced pickup and lowest price hybrid currently on sale. It's a 3-in-1 steal. This truck also has a 191 horsepower powertrain that can tow up to 2,000 pounds. And it has combined miles per gallon rating of 37, and some estimates even say it may be over 40 if you drive conservatively. The Ford Maverick Hybrid has an annual fuel cost of about $1,450. It can also haul a payload of 1,564 pounds. You're probably wondering how fast the pickup is. The Ford Maverick Hybrid can go 0 to 60 in 7.6 seconds. That puts it right on par with your average modern crossover or compact sedan. Now, if you like everything about this truck except for the fact it's a hybrid, I got news for you. The pickup is also available as a non-hybrid conventional combustion engine. This version comes with an all-wheel drive and a 250 horsepower engine. In the mid-size category, the Honda Ridgeline is a good bet, but this isn't your average run-of-the-mill pickup. It's unique and atypical for its class, mostly because it isn't built on a ladder frame with the beds and cabs bolted directly to it as we see in other trucks. Instead, the Ridgeline has a unibody frame. It shares the same unibody platform as the Honda Pilot and the Odyssey. It's also unique in its class for its fully independent suspension. So this combination results in a very smooth ride and precise handling. The Ridgeline comes with a 280 horsepower V6 engine, all-wheel drive, and can tow around 5,000 pounds. It also has a combined fuel economy rating of 21 miles per gallon. And when it comes to annual gas prices for this pickup, we're looking at around $2,600 a year. Not bad for its class. And we're looking at a price tag of less than $43,000. If we shift to the full-size class, we have to look at the F-150 Ford Power Boost Hybrid. Among other things, the 2021 Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid was described as the most powerful model. This model is an updated, fresh evolution of the 2015 aluminum-bodied pickup. And if you're wondering where the pickup got its name, Power Boost, well, there's story and logic behind that. Basically, you're combining a turbocharged V6 engine with an electric motor to get a total output of 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. The F-150 Power Boost Hybrid has a combined MPG rating of 25. Did you know that this pickup comes with an extra bonus? The truck is equipped with a 2.4 kilowatt inverter. This inverter turns the drivetrain into a generator. And if you wanted to, you could upgrade to a 7.2 kilowatt version for around $750. The starting price of this full-size pickup is around $44,000, and annual gas prices are around $2,150. But now let's look at the top electric pickup truck, and that's the Rivian R1T. Among other things, the 2022 Rivian R1T electric pickup has been described as game-changing truck. Did you know that the automaker Rivian is the first American startup to put an electric pickup into production? The R1T is currently the only light-duty electric pickup on sale. GMC delivered its first 2022 Hummer EV last December, but it's classified as heavy-duty trucks. This means it doesn't technically need to post any EPA ratings. The Rivian R1T, on the other hand, has a combined efficiency that would be equivalent to an internal combustion engine truck with 70 miles per gallon. And if you charge it at home, the estimated annual fuel cost is only $950 a year. If you look inside, there's a 135 kilowatt hour battery pack, and it's good for 314 miles of range. The truck also has 4 electric motors. Combined Combined, they output more than 800 horsepower. The truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. It can tow around 11,000 pounds. And there are even cooler features inside. For example, full digital instrument cluster, widescreen infotainment display, even an optional massaging max recline seat. The seats can lie almost completely flat. It's practically a bed or moving hotel, which come in handy on long drives. The truck also has retractable gear lever that allows armrests to flip forward and create a desk, so you can also work from home while you're on the road. The starting price is just around $70,000. But now let's talk about gas guzzlers. These are among the worst to have, especially in the current economic climate, because they're thirsty and you'll be spending a load on gasoline. The worst compact truck is the Nissan Frontier. This pickup has been a long time coming. The previous generation truck debuted all the way back in 2005. But if you were expecting the latest model to be better, well, prepare to be disappointed. This pickup has a combined miles per gallon of just 22.3. The rear-wheel drive Frontier is rated at 18 in the city and 24 on the highway. When it comes to the four-wheel drive, these numbers drop to 17 in the city and 22 on the highway. The Nissan Frontier has a 3.8-liter V6 engine that generates 310 horsepower and 281 foot-pounds of torque. This truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds, which is average and nothing extraordinary for its class. But this truck isn't all bad news. It's true it won't help you save on gas, but its handling and brakes have been described as effortless. The brakes are powerful enough to stop the truck promptly when you need it. This pickup has a towing capacity of around 6,720 pounds. The all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier pricing starts at around $27,840. The worst mid-size pickup is Jeep Gladiator. Amongst other things, they say the truck requires sacrificing comfort for coolness and usefulness. Not a great start. The 2022 Jeep Gladiator is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine. This engine produces 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. This is routed through a standard 6-speed manual transmission or optional 8-speed automatic. And this pickup has a minuscule combined miles per gallon of just 21.2, which is less than the average fuel efficiency for a light-duty truck. The diesel version is rated at 22 miles a gallon in the city and 28 in the highway, so not the best choice if you want to save on gas. Also, this pickup takes 7.2 seconds to go 0 to 60. That actually makes it slightly slower than its competitors. But there are some positives to this pickup. When properly equipped, the Jeep Gladiator can tow an impressive 7,650 pounds, and even in the basic trim can pull a 4,000 pound trailer. It even has some interesting details that add to its overall durability, like its waterproof push-button start. And if you're the kind of person who always forgets to charge your device before you leave the house, there are several power points in this pickup. For front seat passengers, for example, 2 USBs and a USB-C cord. There's also a 115-volt outlet that's available. The 2022 Jeep Gladiator has a $35,315 starting price. That price actually makes it one of the most higher-priced trucks within its class. Let's talk about the worst full-size truck, and that's the Ram 1500 TRX. That's what's been described as the thirstiest full-size pickup money can buy today. This super truck has a massive 702 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, but it has the lowest combined miles per gallon in its class. We're talking about a combined MPG of 12. It's dismal. Some say it's even as low as 10. I had a customer, he was only getting 8. Let's say you'll be going to the gas station a lot. The starting price of this full-size pickup is just around $71,790. And finally, we'll wrap up today with the worst electric pickup truck. And this is an interesting one. There just aren't that many electric pickup trucks available, either on the market today or in the upcoming months. Most electric pickup trucks are still aiming for 2023 or 2024. And most were aiming at a 2022 release date, got pushed back to 2024 or later. And when it comes to the few that will be rolling out this year, there's only one that is far worse than the others. And that's the Ford F-150 Lightning. Now, it's not to say it's a horrible electric pickup. It's not. It's just not best in comparison with the few electric pickups that will be available in 2022. There have been positive, hopeful reviews on the truck, but there's also been negative ones. Like one review which said the pickup is not the electric vehicle we've been waiting for. Now, it's true. There are some positives to expect, like its range, which will be between 230 and 300 miles, and its towing capacity, which is up to 10,000 pounds, and its 563 horsepower engine with 775 pound-feet of torque. But it will be competing against Tesla and Rivian, and compared to models already on the market, the F-150 Lightning is relatively expensive. Large-scale production could drive down the cost of this pickup in the long term. But for now, it's expected to start off high. So if you're keeping your eyes out for an electric truck that's fuel efficient, a better consideration is the Rivian RT1, at least for 2022. And last but not least, we have the worst hybrid truck. Believe it or not, it's the Toyota Tundra Hybrid. The 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid will be released later this year. But if you're looking to save on gas, just walk past this one. This pickup is a great option if you want a hybrid, but a Prius isn't big enough to get the job done. The pickup isn't a great option if you want a hybrid, but also want to save on gas. The hybrid has measly combined MPG of just 22. Its towing capacity is up to 11,170 pounds, and its maximum payload capacity is 1,654 pounds. We're talking about a twin-turbo V6 engine with a motor generator and 10-speed automatic transmission. All this gives it 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid self-charges its battery, so you don't have to plug it in. Instead, it automatically switches between gasoline, electricity, or a combination of both. It all depends on the power requirements. Did you know the 2022 Toyota Tundra also debuts Toyota Multimedia System? It'll have an all-new touchscreen design and interface. It will also offer wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But now you tell me, do you own one of the top 5 or one of the worst 5 pickups listed in this video? Do you know any other top 5 or worst 5 pickup trucks for saving on gas that didn't make today's list? Please share your opinion by commenting below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.